Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Snowtrom effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. After you add the video, you just click on the effect, but before this, I wanna show you this is the original video like this. And then in here I wanna add Snowtrom effect on this video, so you just click on the effect at the bottom, click video effect, and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see nature, this one, and then on nature you can see this is a Snowtrom effect. You just click on it and then click check icon. Now if you wanna set the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speech and then for the background animation. And after this you can click check icon. Now set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. Show that how to add Snowtrom effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Dadah!